Good day to all of the honorable judges. Today, we, Team SL, have created a project that is called the Smart Water Storage System. In this day and age, there are many parts of the world that doesn't have sustainable water storage. For examples, some farmers, after they have planted and harvested the crops, they will then burn down the crops in order to fertilize the soil for future crops to grow better. This will then lead to air pollution and will harm the environment. On the other hand, rural villagers will face difficulty of finding good quality drinking water. We want to stop these kinds of issues of happening in the future. So that's why we have created this smart water storage system. The water storage can store and sustain itself without too much attention needed. Here's how it works. The system comes with two parts. The water will be gathered through the funnel or through the drains and will be stored into these plastic bottles. If water is needed in a hydroponic system, it will first filter out the water and it will transport the water into a container. The water will be pumped into the hydroponic system, and all the excess water that is flowed out into the hydroponic system will be stored in a container that will be reused into the hydroponic system. To control the amount of water that flows through the hydroponic system, our team has used a program to run this system. The applications we use to program the code is Scratch, and the main board we are using right now to control the system is the MRT Smart Coding Board. The component which is used in the program are moisture sensor, CDS sensor, LED, and water pump. The moisture sensor will be placed in a sponge and make a reading every few seconds. If the reading is below a certain number, the moisture sensor will send a signal to the smart cooling board and water will be transported into the hydroponic system. Furthermore, there are many advantages to our smart water storage system. Firstly, they are very affordable and accessible. This is because many materials used in our project can be found in hardware shops or malls. Besides, the smart water storage system has also a very high efficiency rate as it uses sensors to control the water flow of the hydroponic system. Moreover, this smart water storage system is also multi-purpose. The water that is collected not only can be used for agriculture purposes, but it also can be a future development to expand this system to become a smart water system for housing areas. Not only it is multi-purpose, it can also be used as a backup water source because some areas tend to have unstable water source caused by certain circumstances. That's all for our presentation. We thank you all for lending us your ears.